Webull vs Robinhood. Imagine being able to trade stocks, options, cryptocurrency, and exchange-traded funds without paying a penny in commissions or any hidden fees. Forget about imagining it, it's already here. For the average retail investor, there has never been a better time to invest with these free, cutting-edge platforms. These advances in technology and systems have allowed platforms such as Webull and Robinhood to thrive. These are two of the most popular free investing platforms out there today. So, in this episode, we'll be looking at how these two stack up against each other in terms of key features, account opening bonus, account types, available assets types, commission and fees, mobile and trade tech, trade experience and security, customer support, and much more. In addition, we've included the timestamps in the description below if you want to revisit any particular section of the video. Key features. Robinhood and Webull are mobile app-based brokerage platforms. Both are regulated by the Securities and Exchanges Commission (SEC) and the Financial Industry Regulation Authority (FINRA). Plus, your investments in either are protected and insured by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation (SIPC). In short, they're legitimate. The purpose of both platforms is to empower investors to quickly and easily trade stocks from their phones. Robinhood offers other commodities like crypto, but more on that later. Webull vs Robinhood. Account opening bonus. Robinhood's account opening bonus. Upon opening a new account on Robinhood, you would be rewarded up to $200 in free stock. To be eligible for this reward, follow these instructions. Register for a new trading account. Robinhood adds one free share of stock worth between $2.50 and at least $200 per share to your account. You will receive the bonus within a week from the date you open the trading account. You may decide to sell the free stock after 2 working days or hold it in your portfolio. Webull's account opening bonus. Upon opening a new trading account with Webull, this broker will gift you a free stock up to $250 per share during the offer period. You must claim your bonus within 30 days from the date you made your initial deposit. Once you claim your bonus, the bonus will be added to your new account within 7 days. You can sell the free stock at any time. Additionally, Webull offers another bonus called deposit bonus. The moment you make your first deposit, Webull would reward you with a free stock valued between $12 and $1,400 per share. Webull vs Robinhood. Available account types. Webull offers these account types: taxable, margin, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, rollover IRA. On the other hand, Robinhood only offers a standard individual taxable account at this time, with optional access to margin trading with their premium $5 per month membership. Robinhood does not offer retirement accounts. Neither platform offers joint account, custodial, simple IRA, solo 401k, 529, HSA, non-profit account. Robinhood vs Webull. Available asset types. Robinhood's asset types. Robinhood offers the following asset types to investors. Stocks. Robinhood investors have access to trade thousands of stocks on the US market. ETFs. Investors also have access to trade hundreds of US-based ETFs. Options. If you're interested in trading binary options, Robinhood has got you covered. Cryptocurrencies. If you desire cryptocurrency investment, Robinhood supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin to Litecoin, and everything in between. Webull's asset types. As with Robinhood, Webull also offers similar asset classes, including stocks. Investors have access to trade thousands of stocks on the US market. ETFs. Investors also have access to trade hundreds of US-based ETFs. Options. If you're interested in trading binary options, Webull has got you covered. Cryptocurrencies. If you desire cryptocurrency investment, Webull supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin to Litecoin, and everything in between. Neither brokerage offers mutual funds. If you're still unsure which asset type to start trading, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our future episode covering that topic in detail. Webull vs Robinhood. Commissions and fees. Robinhood commission and fees. Robinhood offers users the ability to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency for absolutely zero commissions. The app was a pioneer in free trading when it arrived on the scene in 2013. Still today, there are no strings attached and you pay $0 per contract for options. The only fee that Robinhood charges are for Robinhood Gold, which is their margin trading account. Investors pay $5 per month to access margin trading at a 5% rate and some advanced tools such as Morningstar reports and Nasdaq Level 2 quotes. The margin rate is the lowest of all brokerages we have reviewed. Robinhood Gold accounts do require a $2,000 minimum deposit. There are also no minimum account balances, inactivity fees, or other fees. If you want to invest in fractional shares, you can spend $1 to buy a small fraction of a stock or ETF. Webull commission and fees. Like Robinhood, Webull is an absolutely free trading platform that operates on a mobile app. The brokerage does not charge any fees and investors do not need to have a minimum balance to activate an account. However, if you want a margin account, a minimum deposit of $2,000 is required. Commission-free trading with Webull is available for 5,000 US stocks and ETFs, but you cannot access options or mutual funds. There are no fees for account maintenance or inactivity. Webull vs Robinhood, mobile and new trade tech. Webull mobile app. Both mobile platforms are designed to give you the basics, so savvy investors can make trades quickly. However, Webull offers way more research than most mobile trading apps, but the interface is not as streamlined and fast. For example, you can access real-time candlestick, bar, and line charts in Webull's app, with data going back for 5 years. You can use indicators like exponential moving averages, RSI oscillators, and Bolling Band to money flow indexes. It's clear that effort was put into research, but the app does crash and can be slow. There are also several more fundamental analysis tools, including news streams, press releases, analyst recommendations, revenue data, and company profile pages. Stock screeners and financial calendars are also available within the app. Robinhood mobile app. Robinhood offers some analytical tools like analyst ratings, earnings calendars, links to earnings calls, and candlestick charts. You can also see people also bought recommendations for new ideas for trades. However, most of these tools are pretty simplistic and do not give you a deeper look into technical patterns and market movers. Webull vs Robinhood, trade experience and security. Beginners will like the simplicity of these brokerages. Both of these brokerages started out as mobile stock trading apps, but they eventually expanded into web platforms. Webull also provides a downloadable desktop platform. Webull Trading Platform. Webull's web trading platform is easy to use and offers a simple design with a clear navigational structure. You can customize the screen to show whatever you like, but it defaults to basic charts. Webull's online platform offers a variety of order types, including market, limit, stop limit, and bracket orders. Robinhood Trading Platform. Robinhood is even less complex and offers an easy-to-use platform that new investors will be able to navigate easily. Unfortunately, there are no education tools or guidance offered on how to make difficult trades, which may lead traders to make costly mistakes. It supports market orders, stop limit orders, and stop orders. The biggest advantage is the collections feature, which groups stocks by sector and category. For example, you may want to only invest in tech stocks or entertainment industry companies. You can search and compare these collections side by side. Investors can also use the bar at the bottom of the website to access quick portfolio values, transaction history, account statements, and watch lists. Security is a bit lacking on the website for Robinhood, which does not have a two-step login as of yet. In comparison, Webull offers a two-step login and security codes that trigger if you log in from a separate device. Webull vs Robinhood, customer service. Webull seems to have a great customer service. Robinhood has somewhat of a reputation for being slow or unresponsive at times with their customer service, and famously doesn't have a published phone number. Should you choose Robinhood or Webull? Is Robinhood or Webull right for you? The decision to choose Robinhood or Webull largely depends on your investing strategy and the types of assets you would like to add to your portfolio. Robinhood is better if you like a cash management account to go with your brokerage account, if you like to invest in fractional shares, if you want a premium investing product. Webull is better if you want to invest through an IRA. If you want full extended hours of trading. If you want a powerful trading desktop setup. Both brokers are good if you hate commissions. If you want to trade on margin. If you like a free stock or more when you open your account and refer customers. That's it for this episode. Please give us your feedback in the comment section below. To watch more episodes on financial topics like this, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to support us even more, buy us a coffee from the link in the description. Good luck and see you in the next episode.